Welcome back, my dear student. So we want to go online. We want to make this contact form work. That's the only way to make this work. The only way to make our, to have our website visited by everybody out there online is by putting this online, right? Putting this somewhere. In order for us to do that, we need two things. We need a domain name, which you are very familiar with probably, right? Because you went to a website like maybe eBay or youtube.com, or even I have edwindiaz.com, which is my personal website. All right. So this is a domain name and we need this, and we need to purchase this. But don't worry about that right now, because I'm going to give you a solution that you are going to love. The second thing that we need is a hosting company. So if you go on Google and you type hosting, all right, this is the people that is going to hold the site for us online. All right, my website right now is in another company's server, and they're hosting it so everybody in the world can see it. They are holding all these files in their server, and when people type in this domain name, they can see my website. All right, so two things: domain and hosting. Now, hosting could be a homework. I mean, it could be a mission to find good hosting, good support, and cheap hosting. All right, are you gonna have to pay for it? Yes. That is the bad news. The good news is that you're not gonna have to pay much for it, because I already did the homework for you. I've been working with a company called GoDaddy. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but if you go to edwindiaz.com and resources, here I have a link that GoDaddy gave to me for my students. You see, I've been working with GoDaddy for a long time, and they are the biggest hosting companies in the world. Not only that, but they have the best customer service, and this is not just because I've been working with them for a long time. I mean, I try other service providers out there, and none of them can come close to GoDaddy. But the best part for you is that if you click on this link that they gave me right here on my website, you're gonna get the best, cheapest hosting available in the world right now for $1 a month. Not only that, but you're gonna get a free domain. So you don't have to purchase a domain anymore. Usually a domain is like $12, $13, $14 if you find one available. And then the hosting is like $5.99, $6.99, $14.99 a month. Only $12 will get you the hosting for $1 a month. $12 will get you hosting for 1 year, and we get you free domain. All right? So let me show you how this works. Once you click on that link from edwindiaz.com and the resources tab right here, this is a special link that they gave me. All right, not only that you're gonna get this free domain and $1 a month, but you're gonna get cPanel, which I'm gonna show you, that is super powerful. Companies charge $14.99 a month just for cPanel. All right, and they have the best customer service. But anyway, let's just say you go to my website, you click there, you click on the first link, because that's what we want, right? We want $1 a month. We take a domain, let's just call it project 0 HTML. All right, you got to find whatever is available out there, and there's so many names taken. You can use project like this. You can put a hyphen in there, I believe, a dot, I believe, as well. You can use different formats until you find whatever you need. I'm just gonna call this project 0 HTML. Click go. Congratulations, it's good. And if it wasn't, just search again and you'll find it. But add and continue. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of tour how this is ordered. And as you can see here, by default, you're only gonna pay $12.18, and you get this for 12 months, $1 a month. All right, so you got to pay upfront $12, and then you get the domain for free, 100%. It doesn't get any cheaper than that, and you save a total of $86. All right, and then you proceed to check out, and then if you are a customer, if you're a new customer, you click here. All right, and then just fill that up, and good. And then you can, one of the best things I like about GoDaddy is that you can pay with PayPal as well. Some companies don't allow you to do that. And then once you finish filling this up here, and this, continue, and that should take you to PayPal, and then it should take you right back to GoDaddy. All right, beautiful. So once you finish that, we can go ahead and go to the next lecture, right? For those of you that want to go online and test this out. So anyway, hopefully that helps you out. Remember, edwindiaz.com, resources, and the link is right here. See you in the next lecture. I'm very excited. Hopefully you get this done for some of you out there that want to go online and have this website working. And I'm looking forward to helping you out in the next lecture. Thanks, and I'll see you then.